It's really great to be here in the home state of Texas, here at the Circuit of the Americas. We've done this track in March in a prototype. A lot of fun, very physical, very technical track. We were expecting different weather conditions. It's pouring down rain here now. Normally this time of the year it would be over 100 degrees Fahrenheit and very, very dry. Technical aspects of this track are multiple. You come up the hill off of turn 1, very hard braking zone, obtuse angle, acute angle, turning left, downhill through 2 series of S's, up to an elevation change again, and then a hard left turn, and into turn 11, which is a hard braking zone leading on to the longest straight. Speeds there probably 165 miles per hour or so. And then another very hard braking zone, very wide track. Very fair track. There's some high-risk places that you can overtake. The last part of the track is leading onto the front straightaway vis-a-vis a quick left-hander, and then a very hard braking zone and down to second or first gear. The track is wide. It's very smooth. I think if it's dry, it'll be very challenging with traffic, and if it's wet, it'll be very challenging with traffic and a lot of sliding around. We have a new engineer this weekend, Mark Schoeman. We've worked with Mark in the past. We've been on a couple of podiums at Le Mans with Mark. He's been busy over in Europe. We're very glad to have him back. He has a lot of insight into GT racing. Sometimes you have to make changes to make the team get better. We had basically a coaching change, and hopefully that'll make the car quicker. We know we've got quick drivers, and we know we've got a good car. We just need to get it set up a little bit differently. Sometimes you have to have a different set of eyes on that to make it work. And you know, it just worked out that he was available, and we've got him with us now. So we'll have that for the rest of the season. Here, the race car. There's lots of grip inside, lots of camber here. Set up off to the left. I'm actually in the race car. I'm going to be riding this curve. And I'm going to come in here real hard. Quick brake, downshift, transition right, transition left. Back, right through here. Up with the car. This is actually a lift. This is actually the most important car on the track. It's got the most speed. That was about 150 in this car. Be quicker in the race car, of course. This is a very important sequence here. You can lose or pick up a lot of time. A lot of grip toward the inside, then you're flat through here. Apex, and there's more than one line through this turn. It kind of depends on how your car is set up. Horses swing a little further right, we come a little bit more inside. Then this is really critical.
Yeah, let's just go ahead and turn.